Am I the only one that didn't know cleaning could be this easy? Let's dive into a weekly schedule that'll change your life. Monday, kitchen reunion. Start the week off right, hun. Declutter countertops, wipe down appliances, and don't forget the sink. Tips: soak your stove grates in soapy water while you clean the rest. Tuesday, bathrooms. Scrub those tiles and freshen up the loo. Use vinegar and baking soda for an eco-friendly clean. Wednesday, living room. Dust surfaces, vacuum carpets, and fluff those cushions. Multitask by folding laundry while you watch your favorite show. Thursday, bedrooms. Change bed linens and dust furniture. Pro tip: use a lint roller to quickly clean lampshades. Friday, entryway and hallways. Sweep floors and wipe down light switches. Keep a shoe rack by the door to reduce dirt. Weekend, relax and review. Do a quick tidy up and enjoy your spotless home. Remember, consistency is key. Follow these tips and you'll have a sparkling home without the stress. Happy cleaning.